Hello, my dear students. A very warm welcome to all of you in Shri Jayendra Rank Zone. I am your friend and mentor for the subject Business and Commercial Knowledge. In this lecture, we'll continue with multiple choice questions of chapter 1, that is Business and Commercial Knowledge and Introduction. So let us begin. This is lecture number 7. First question. An economic activity consisting of production, buying and selling of product and services is A. Business, B. Profession, C. Vocation, D. Occupation. An economic activity consisting of production, buying and selling of products and services is A. Business. A. Business. Question number 2. Commercial awareness involves knowledge of A. How business make money, B. What customer want, C. What problems are there in particular area of business, and D. All of the above. Commercial awareness involves knowledge of how business make money, yes. What consumer and customer wants, yes. What problems are there in particular area of business, correct. So the answer is D, all of the above. D, all of the above. Question 3. Which of the following statement distinguishes business from entrepreneurship? A. Entrepreneurship are the business owners too. A. Entrepreneurs are the business owners too. B. All business owners are entrepreneurs too. C. Entrepreneurs seek out new opportunities and pursue innovative business ideas. D. A and B. Which of the following statements distinguishes business from entrepreneurship? C. Entrepreneurship seek out new opportunities and pursue innovative business ideas. Next question, question 4. The three most valuable attributes to a successful in business: A. Can-do attitude, B. Resistance to change, C. Commercial awareness, fourth, traditional approach, fifth, contentment, and D. Technical, and last, six, technical skills. The three most valuable attributes to be successful in business: can-do attitude, resistance to change, commercial awareness, traditional approach, contentment, technical skills. Options are A. 1, 2 and 3. Option B. 1, 3 and 6. Option C. 3, 5 and 6. And option D. 4, 5 and 6. The three most valuable attributes to be successful business: 1, 3 and 6. Can-do attitude, commercial awareness, technical skills. Next question, question 5. Next question, question 5. Which of the following is a business activity? A. Manufacturing of goods, B. Trading of goods, C. Provision of services, D. All of the above. Which of the following is a business activity? D. All of the above. 5D. All of the above. Next question, question 6. Which of the following statements does not comprise business activity? Sale of old furniture by household for a profit. B. A carpenter made furniture for its domestic use. C. Steel furniture industry. Or D. Domestic appliance industry. Which of the following statements does not compromise business activity? It's B. Carpenter made furniture for personal use, domestic use, not for sale. It's a non-economic activity. Next question, question number 7. Trade is broadly classified into A. Domestic and foreign, B. Wholesale, C. Interstate and intrastate, D. None of the above. Trade is broadly classified as A. Domestic trade and foreign trade. A. Domestic trade and foreign trade. Next question, question number 8. Stock market players who raise the stock prices through building a buy pressure are called who raise the stock prices by building a buy pressure is called A. Bulls, B. Bears, C. Cash cows, D. None of the above. They are called as bulls. They are called as bulls. Question number 9. Next question, question number 9. Which of the following is not an economic objective? Which of the following is not an economic objective of the firm? A. Sales growth, B. Improvement in market share, C. Profit and return on investment, D. Conservation of business natural resources. Conservation of natural resources. D. Conservation of natural resources. Conservation of natural resources is not an economic objective of the firm. Next question, question 10. Stock market players that have pessimistic expectations. Stock market player that have pessimistic expectations. A. Bulls, B. Bears, C. Cash cows, D. None of the above. Pessimistic, not optimistic. Pessimistic expectations. A. Bulls, B. Bears, C. Cash cows, D. None of the above. B. Bears. B. Bears. They feel the price is going to fall in near future. They feel that stock exchange could be down and the price is going to fall. Next question, question 11. BCK helps CAs in becoming more aware and responsible, B. Conducting audit diligently, C. Handling business issues and providing solutions, or D. All of the above. BCK helps CAs in becoming more aware and responsible, yes. Conduct audit diligently, true, yes. Handling business issues and providing solutions to it, yes. So the answer is D, all of the above. So the answer is D, all of the above. Next question, question 12. The level of business and commercial awareness, the level of commercial knowledge and commercial awareness may be referred to as A. BCK percentage, B. BCK share, C. BCK quotient, D. Degree of BCK. The level of business and commercial knowledge, commercial awareness may be referred to as C. BCK quotient. BCK quotient. Next question 13. Which of these is true about updating the level of BCK? Which of these is true about updating the level of BCK? First, non-commerce background is a negative for improving BCK. Second, only business newspaper helps in updating BCK. Third, even a TV commercial can impart knowledge. Or fourth, reflecting thinking or various observations and updates is a must. A. First and second. B. Second and third. C. Third and fourth. D. All of the above. It's C. Third and fourth. Quickly refer it. Even a TV commercial can impart knowledge. Reflecting thinking on various observation and updates is a must. Next question, question 14. Which is not true about an economic industry? Which is not true about an economic industry? A. Measured in terms of money. B. Pragmatic approach. C. Driven by emotions and sentiments. Or D. Adds value to national income. Which is not true, which is false about economic activity? C. Driven by emotions and sentiments. False. Next 15. Next 15. Activity performed without any regard to monetary gain is activity performed without any regard to monetary gain is A. Economic activity, B. Commercial activity, C. Non-economic activity, D. None of the above. It's C. Non-economic activity. It's C. Non-economic activity. Next question 16. An example of non-economic activity: A. Running a profitable business enterprise, B. Employment in a company, C. Practicing as a doctor, D. Manufacturing goods for charitable purposes. An example of non-economic activity: manufacturing goods for a charitable purpose is an example of non-economic activity. Question 17. Trading implies buying for the purpose of selling. Applying this criterion, tell which of the following activities would not qualify as trading. A. Purchase of goods in bulk quantity from the manufacturer and sale in smaller quantities to the retailer. B. Buying from the wholesaler and selling it to the consumer. C. Buying from the retailer and for self-consumption. D. Purchase of raw material from suppliers for further processing in a factory. Trading implies buying for the purpose of selling. Applying this criteria, tell which of the following activity is not qualify as trading. C. Buying from the retailer for self-consumption. Buying from the retailer for self-consumption. Next question, question 18. Question 18. Production represents the dash side of the economics. A. Demand. B. Supply. C. Income. D. Investment. Production represents the supply side of the economy. 18B. 18B. Next question 19. Productive activity means productions of goods. Productive activity means production of goods. A. For self-consumption. B. For family. C. For market. D. All of the above. D. Productive activity means production of goods for self, family, market, all of the above. 19D. All of the above. Next question 20. Which of the following occupations require rendering of services based upon specialized knowledge and membership of an accreditation and assessment body? A. Employment. B. Profession. C. Business. D. Agriculture. B. Profession. Which of the following occupations require rendering of services based on specialized knowledge and membership of an accreditation and assessment body? It's B. Profession. Next question 21. Income minus spending equals A. Savings. B. Investment. C. Wealth. D. Revenue. It's A. Savings. It's A. Savings. Next question 22. Transfer of interest exists in A. Business. B. Profession. C. Employment. D. None of the above. A. Business. Transfer of interest is possible in case of business. It is not possible in case of employment and profession. Question 23. The occupation in which people work for others and get remunerated in return is known as the occupation in which people work for others and get remunerated in return is known as A. Business. B. Employment. C. Profession. D. None of these. B. Employment. B. Employment. 24. Economic activities may be classified into business dash and employment. Economic activities may be classified into business dash and employment. A. Profession. B. Occupation. C. Vacation, vocation, or D. Work. A. Profession. Business, profession, and employment. Next question, question 25. What is the psychological motive of employment? A. Service to society. B. Earning livelihood. C. Earning profits. D. Displaying skills. What is the psychological motive of profit? B. Earning of livelihood. Earning of livelihood. 26. Which of the following statements describe the best joint Hindu undivided family business? A. It is a form of business particular to and recognized as such in India. B. Every family business is in fact a HUF business. C. In HUF business there is a family involvement. D. Either A or C. So it's D. Either A or C. Let us move to the next question. Which of the following is not an advantage of single ownership? A. Risk sharing. B. Business growth. C. Pooling of capital. D. All of the above. It's D. All of the above. All of the above. Next question, question 28. Which of the following is an advantage of joint ownership? Which of the following is an advantage of joint ownership? A. Quick decisions. B. Pooling of capital. C. Personal interest. D. All of the above. It's B. Pooling of capital. Which of the following is an advantage of joint ownership? Pooling of capital. Next question 29. Sustainable development business imply A. Consistent economic performance. B. Attention to social problems. C. Harmony with nature. D. All of the above. D. All of the above. D. All of the above. Sustainable development imply all of the above. Harmony with nature, attention to social problems, and consistent economic performance. Next question 30. Personal interest in business is more in A. HUF, that is Hindu undivided family. B. Partnership. C. Sole proprietorship. D. LLP limited liability partnership. Personal interest in business is more in C. Sole proprietorship. C. Sole proprietorship. Next, 31. Non-corporate entity includes A. Sole proprietorship, HUF, and partnership. B. HUF, trust, and LLP. C. Partnership, LLP, and private companies. Or D. Sole proprietorship, LLP, and partnership. It's A. Sole proprietorship, HUF, and partnership. It's A. Next question 32. Next question 32. Which of the following statement characterizes the best non-economic activities? A. Non-economic activities do not require any investment of resources. B. These activities do not entail any operational cost. C. These activities are undertaken by ascetics. Or D. The underlying purpose of these activities is not earning of a livelihood but social, psychological, or spiritual satisfaction. Which of the following statements characterize the best non-economic activities? It's D. The underlying purpose of these activities is not earning of livelihood, but social, psychological, or spiritual satisfaction. D. 32D. Next, 33. Next question, 33. Dash is a type of enterprise that is owned and dash run by one natural person and in which there is no legal distinctions between the owner and the business entity. Dash is a type of business enterprise that is owned and run by natural person and in which there is no legal distinction between the owner and the business entity. A. Sole proprietorship. B. Company. C. LLP. D. One person company. It's A. Sole proprietorship. It's A. Sole proprietorship. Next question, 34. Demerits of sole proprietorship. A. Unlimited liability. B. Uncertain business life. C. Limited scope of expansion. Or D. All of the above. It's D. All of the above. It's D. All of the above. Next question, question 35. The Indian Companies Act provides for the registration of a public limited and private limited company, private limited and public company, B. One person company and small company, D. Defunct company, C. Defunct company, or D. All of the above. The Indian Companies Act provides for the registration of A. Private limited and public company, B. One person company and small company, C. Defunct company, or D. All of the above. D. All of the above. Next question, 36. HUF consists of A. All persons lineally descend from a common ancestor, including wives and unmarried daughters. B. All persons lineally descend from a common ancestor except wives and unmarried daughters. C. All male members lineally descend from a common ancestor. Or D. None of the above. It's A. All persons lineally descend from a common ancestor, including wives and unmarried daughters. 36A. Next question, 37. Dash successive generations of an undivided family are known as HUF. A. 2, B. 3, C. 4, D. 5. Dash successive generations of an Hindu undivided family as known as HUF. 3, B3, B3. Next question, 38. Which of the following is not true about HUF? A. There is uncertainty as to the fate of HUF entity is going concern. B. Ownership in family. B. Ownership in family business arises by birth or agreement. C. A HUF enjoys a separate entity status under the Income Tax 1961. Or D. HUF includes Jain or Sikh or Buddhist or Parsi families. Which of the following is not true? That means which is false. There is an uncertainty as to the fate of HUF entities going concern. It's true. Ownership in family business arise by birth or agreement. Answer is B. Answer is B. Next question 39. 39. Find the odd one out from the following question. Example of coincident indicators are A. Industrial production, B. Inflation, C. Retail sales, D. New orders for plant and equipment. It's D. New order for plant and equipment. Which of the following concern is related to business and commercial knowledge? Which of the following concern is related to business and commercial knowledge? A. Sustainability, B. Sociology, C. Traditional, D. Social at large. It's A. Sustainability. It's A. Sustainability. Which of the following concern is related to business and commercial knowledge? It's A. Sustainability. Next, 41. Which one is not a feature of LLP? Which one is not a feature of LLP? A. It is a legal entity separate from its member. B. No limit on maximum number of members. C. Every partner is only agent of firm. D. Registrar of firm is the administrating authority. Which one is not a feature of LLP? A. It is a legal entity separate from its members. 41A. Question 42. Organic objective of business. A. Sales profit. B. Fitness of human resources. C. Product usage and disposal. D. All of the above. D. All of the above. Next question 43. Ideal corresponds to business commercial knowledge. Ideal corresponds to business commercial knowledge. A. Social. B. Sustainable development. C. Political. D. Economic. It's B. Sustainable development. Ideal corresponds to business commercial knowledge. It's B. Sustainable development. Next question 44. Find odd one out. Find odd one out. There can be partnership between A. Natural person, B. Partnership firm, C. Artificial person, D. Any combination of natural and artificial. D. Any combination of natural and artificial. Odd one out. B. Partnership firm. Next question, question 45. Which of the following is not true? Which of the following is not within the scope of business economics? Which of the following is not within the scope of business economics? A. Capital budgeting. B. Risk analysis. C. Business cycles. D. Accounting standards. Which of the following is not within the scope of business economics? It's C. Accounting standards. It's D. Accounting standards. Question 46. A partnership may be formed to carry on A. Trade. A. Any trade. B. Profession. C. Occupation. D. Social enterprise. A. Any trade. A. Any trade. A partnership may be formed to carry on any trade. Next question 47. Which of the following is not a feature of LLP? Which of the following is not a feature of LLP? A. Legal entity separate from its partners. B. No limit on maximum number of persons. C. Every partner is agent of LLP. D. Register of firms is the administering authority. Which of the following is not a feature of LLP? D. Register of firms is the administering authority. Is not a feature of LLP. Next, 48. Next question. Question 48. A Hindu undivided family business formed by a group of people who do not constitute a family. A. Can be. B. Should be. C. Cannot be. D. Normally. A Hindu undivided family business cannot be formed. So C. It's C. Cannot be formed by a group of people who do not constitute a family. Who do not constitute a family. 48 C. 49. The logo of the institute from the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India ICAI is suggestive of dash expected from CAs. A. Professional. B. Integrity. C. Vigilance. D. None of these. It's C. Vigilance. The logo of the Institute of ICI is suggestive of vigilance expected from chartered accountants. Next question 50. Under the Income Tax Act, a HUF cannot earn income from A. House property. B. Salaries. C. Profits. D. Other sources. It's B. Salary. Under the Income Tax Act, a HUF cannot earn salary. Next question 51. Which of the following is not a merit of LLP? A. LLP is a separate legal entity. B. Designated partners should ensure control over compliances. C. Both A and B. D. None of the above. Which of the following is not a merit of LLP? It's B. Designated partners should ensure control over compliance. Next, 52. Minimum number of directors for a private company is A. 10, B. 15, C. 2, D. 3. C. 2. It's C, 2. I believe all of you must understood till here. I believe all of you must have understood till here. We are stopping here. We are stopping here. Thank you. Thank you.